Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies, and also I show you the technical analysis of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, please kindly subscribe our channel for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much for subscribing us. Let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the screen, the last 1 hour price prediction on the screen of Vechain cryptocurrency. That is the live price prediction you are watching now. Oh my god, what's wrong? What's wrong? Which channel cryptocurrency is gone wrong? As you can see now, here are the change as a negative 1.19% gone wrong. It's very bad news for which and cryptocurrencies holder, and the high change is $0.090046 is the high change of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So let's see the technical analysis of Vechain cryptocurrencies and on the graph. As you can see here, their dumping starts now. As you can see here, they are dumping, they are backward, they are loose, it's a buying time, of Vechain cryptocurrencies, I said. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour, and the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies is $0.088976, and the Bitcoin is equal to 0.00002. So that is the live price prediction. Let's see the 2 hour price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies. What's going on the 2 hour result? So it's loading. Please subscribe now, please subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, I request you, please. So and the 2 hour, you can see here the change is very low according to the first hour result. Negative 0.21% are change, and according to the first hour they are very good. So that is, and the high change at last 2 hour is $0.091382. So as you can see now on the graph of 2 hour result, they are going up. As you can see, they are ready for a moving. As you can see here, they are ready for a jumping. As you can see here, they are ready for jumping. So that is the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.